Hello friends. Welcome to our channel IELTS for Life. In this video I'd like to discuss sample answer of a latest cue card from September to December 2021.
If you are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to enable the notifications.
Describe a puzzle, jigsaw, crossword, etc. you have played. You should say what it is like, how easy or difficult it is, how long it takes you to solve it, and how you feel about it.
Here is the sample answer. Introduction. Well, I think games are a good way to challenge our brain, but, when it comes to puzzle games, I believe that nothing is better than these puzzles, to improve our concentration, and overall brain power. My most favorite puzzle game is Sudoku. It is a popular Japanese puzzle game, which is based on the logical placement of numbers. What it is like. The goal of Sudoku is to fill a 9x9 grid, with digits, so that each column, row, and a 3x3 section contains the numbers between 1 to 9. At the beginning of the game, the 9x9 grid will have some of the squares filled in. Our job is to logically fill the missing digits and complete the grid. How easy or difficult it is. Sudoku puzzles are generally classified as easy, medium or hard, with puzzles having more starting clues. Sudoku puzzles are generally easier when they contain more information for the player, or otherwise, when they contain more starting digits. How long it takes you to solve it. A 3x3 Sudoku puzzle will take between 10 to 30 minutes to complete, depending on the skill, expertise, and the difficulty of the puzzle. 4x4 Sudoku puzzles will take much longer to complete. And how you feel about it. I like this puzzle because, back then, it helped me pass my time. Another thing is, it improves concentration, and promotes a healthy mindset, as it requires the player to concentrate on the grid, and use logical thinking to find the solution, for each cell. Moreover, it helps to reduce anxiety, and stress.
If you find our video useful, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, drop your comment in our comment box. Thank you.